In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these invisible braids with the extensions on her and then these invisible braids on him. So right now I'm showing you how I did the invisible braids with braiding hair. I used the spring twisted up hair for hers, and right now I'm just parting out the section that will be paired together. And instead of doing like a lock on the hair, I am actually doing a braid simply because her hair texture and because I know it'll last a lot longer. So that is what you see me doing right here. I am just braiding down her natural hair, just like you see the other sections that's already done. So that is the first braid for this section. And now I'm about to start the second braid. And then I'm going to show you guys how I added in the extensions. Everything that I added will be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and order it. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Now that I am done, I am adding in the twisted up hair. So I basically twist it in and then I just start to twist. I like to use some Marley hair because it is a little bit more kinkier and more natural. And then I'm adding in little curly pieces of human hair. Not too much boho, but just enough. And I'm just going to twist to my right. And I just keep twisting all the way down. And I do like a rope twist as I go down. I'm like twisting as I turn. I hope this makes a lot of sense. This hair, I sometimes have to brush with the unbrush because it is very kinky. But for the most part, I like this hair again, just because it is more natural, and especially with her hair texture. Her natural hair texture is like a loose curl. So when she gets her natural hair braided, her and get into any type of water, like go swimming or anything, it will unravel. So that is how loose her curls are. And it doesn't have to be blunt cut or anything. It just will literally unravel the braid. So I like to use this type of texture on her hair. You can also use the Expressions Connect Line hair, the pre-stretch hair as well. I just chose to use this type of hair because one, when I do the Bantu knot ends, I know it is going to stick and not unravel, which it could possibly do with the other type of pre-stretched hair. So now you see me just here, just wrapping the ends around. I just bend it up and I just wrap it around like a Bantu knot. If you want to see the full video, I will have it linked in here, so you can go ahead and click and see how to completely do this entire hairstyle. And now I'm showing you how I did his hair. He has no extensions that will be added, so I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm doing a cornrow just like I did on her. Again, the only difference is there will be no extensions added to his hair, but I'm pretty much doing the same thing, but just on natural hair. And I just want to say that this turned out super nice on both genders. I feel like whether you're a girl or boy, you can do either or. But guys tend to sometimes use their own hair. But if you're a guy and you're growing out your hair and you want this type of hairstyle, you can fake the funk and add some of that twisted up hair and kind of cut it to his length as well. And yes, I have added extensions in to male hairstyles to make it last longer. I'm not saying that I did it on him, but I have done it in the past, and you can definitely do it if your hair isn't this long. So don't get discouraged from trying this hairstyle if you are a guy and you feel like your hair isn't long enough to create this hairstyle. But yeah, I just braid it down and I just do a cornrow. And if you like this content, make sure you thumbs up this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe. But here I am doing the second braid for this section. And then I'm going to show you a part of his hair where I did some braids of just how to do the twist. And this did take a little bit less time than with the extensions, simply because there's no extensions added and the hair isn't super long. So it definitely cut the hairstyle in half. When you add extensions, it tends to take a little bit longer. And yeah, but here I am now showing you me just doing the twist. I did put some Cream of Nature Shining Gem Argan Oil mousse on his hair. And then as you can see, I'm using this unbrush, and I just make sure that his hair is detangled, and then I just twist all the way down. And that is pretty much how I got this nice look on him. And here's the finished product. It turned out super nice. Both hairstyles looked super cool. So make sure you go try this. And I'll see you in the next one. Here's some other tutorials you guys can watch and enjoy.